AIA 2014 in Chicago. We're basically in the Saint-Gobain Village. Now we're going to go to my right here, and this is the CERTAINTEED booth. It is an architectural overload. So is it really worth being here? You bet your flying buttress it is.
This is a show for architects, and architects are responsible for specifying good products that work. So it's very important for us to have a presence here because we have, for acoustics or for health or just for aesthetics, we have just a breadth of products that are just incredible for any building.
So we're in Chicago because we're at the American Institute of Architects at the trade show, and this is one avenue we have of getting this communication out to people, to create awareness with a lot of people in a short period of time, to get them to really understand the ramifications of not choosing better performing products. So acoustics is a tough thing when you're thinking about the physical environment in which we reside, because unlike thermal temperature, you can gauge something up and down and say, okay, I'm cool, I'm hot, I can see something, but acoustics is really invisible to the naked eye.
And I think people really is letting people think of not only does it how acoustics affect the space, be it a hospital room, a classroom, or an office, but how it affects the occupants of that space.
AIA is here today at the AIA conventions, and we are partnering up with CERTAINTEED with our acoustical door assembly systems to meet up with their acoustical wall systems. CERTAINTEED is a very good company. AIA feels that we're a leader in our industry. And so in order to partner up with somebody, we want to partner up with a leader in their industry also. And this is going to be a very good partnership, since when our products appear to fail, it's usually the wall. And when the wall products appear to fail, it's usually the door. So we're going to eliminate a lot of major problems here.
Having a show like this is really important. We get to see a tremendous amount of architects in a short amount of time and build relationships with them.
Well, here at AIA Chicago, it's all the latest and the greatest, but it's also about learning and keeping up your accreditation. That's why we have things like the Learning Lounge.
I'm an architect to learn as much as I can and get my CEUs filled up.
Just to learn, basically. I just started graduate school, and I go to school in Elgin, so I wanted to come check it out.
We do a lot of higher ed, K through 12, so it's really just a refresh course on some of the technical aspects and just to see new products.
You know, I wish I would have had a lot of this technical information long back ago, and it's great to be like a sponge and just pull it all in, and issues that I've had like in my career, and I see that there's a learn session on those issues. You know, I want to absorb everything I can about it.
This year, AIA saw busier than normal foot traffic. We spoke with a variety of different architects and builders, and everyone's really excited and energized about the market and the rebound that's occurring. The way the booth has been laid out this year, it makes it really easy for people to work through each individual product line, but to look at how all of the different products play an integral part with acoustics. So from spray foam or other wall insulation to our silent effects gypsum board over to the Ecophon and Decoustics section, we're talking about how all of the different CERTAINTEED products can impact acoustical performance within your building.
That's a wrap. Pack your bags, go home, see you next year. Huge success. I'm down with decibels and everything else. Tweet me.